Hello students, this is your science teacher Ms.Tavleen. In chapter 2, we have learned that woolen clothes are made from animal fibers and cotton clothes are made from plant fibers. We wear woolen clothes during winters when it is cold outside, as woolen clothes keep us warm, and we prefer to wear light colored cotton clothes when it is hot as it gives us the feeling of coolness. In winter, we feel cold inside the house, and if we come out in the sun, we feel warm. In summer, we feel hot even inside the house. So, how do we know whether an object is hot or cold? How do we find out how hot or cold an object is? In our day to day life, we come across a number of objects. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. For example, if we take a glass full of ice water, it feels cold. And if we take a cup of tea, it feels hot. In our daily life, we come across many hot and cold objects. Let us see some of them. Out of these, some objects are hot and some are cold. Now, how do we decide which object is hotter than the other? We often do it by touching the objects, but is our sense of touch reliable? Let us find out this with the help of a short activity. Take 3 large bowls, label them as A, B, and C. Put hot water in mug A and cold water in mug B. Make sure that water is not so hot that you burn your hand. Mix some cold and hot water in mug C. Now dip your left hand in mug A and the right hand in mug B. After keeping the hands in the two mugs for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. Do both the hands get the same feeling? No, the lukewarm water feels warm to the hand that was dipped in cold water and cool to the hand that was dipped in hot water. So, can we rely on our sense of touch? No, we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. Then, how do we find out how hot an object really is? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. There are many devices that can be used to measure the temperature. Let us learn about one such device which is known as thermometer. Thermometer is a device that is used to measure the temperature of an object. The temperature is found by reading the level of liquid, that is mercury, in a thermometer with the help of degrees or graduations marked on it. Now, let us learn how to read a thermometer. First, note the temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. Note down the number of divisions between these marks. Suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them, then one small division can read 1 by 5 is equals to 0.2 degree Celsius. Always remember to wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution. Hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. The jerks will bring the level of mercury down. Ensure that it falls below 35 degrees Celsius. Now, place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. After 1 or 2 minutes, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is your body temperature. The temperature should always be stated with its unit, that is degree Celsius. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Note that the temperature is stated with its unit.